Silver's been around forever, literally. Since the dawn of time, it's been prized. Ancient civilizations, they dug it out of the ground. They used it for everything, jewelry, sure, but also coins, cutlery, even medicine. Why? Because silver's got these amazing properties. It's malleable, meaning you can shape it. It's ductile, meaning you can stretch it thin. And it's got this natural gleam that just screams valuable. Today we're diving deep into the world of silver foil. We're going behind the scenes at a factory. We're gonna see how they take this precious metal and transform it into something incredible. Something delicate yet strong. Something you might not even notice, but it's used everywhere. This ain't your grandpa's silver mine. This is high-tech manufacturing, folks. But, as we'll see, some things never change. The dedication, the craftsmanship, the sweat equity, that's what turns raw material into something special. So buckle up. We're about to get our hands dirty with the fascinating process of making silver foil. Our journey starts not in the factory but thousands of miles away. Deep in the earth, in places like Mexico, Peru, and China, silver ore is mined. This is tough, dirty work. Miners work around the clock extracting the ore from the ground. It's not glamorous, but it's the essential first step. The ore then goes on a journey of its own. It's transported to refineries where it's crushed, ground, and chemically treated. This process separates the silver from the other minerals, leaving behind pure, refined silver. And when I say pure, I mean 99.9% pure. This is the good stuff. It arrives at the foil factory in various forms. Sometimes it's big, hefty bars. Other times it's smaller grains, almost like silver sand. No matter the form, it's all got the same destiny, to be transformed into something thinner, lighter, and far more versatile. This is where the real magic happens. The transformation from raw material to finished product, and let me tell you, it's a sight to behold. Inside the factory, the air is thick with anticipation. Giant furnaces fueled by natural gas or electricity roar to life. These bad boys can reach temperatures over 1,000 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to melt silver like butter. And that's exactly what happens next. The refined silver, whether in bar or grain form, is carefully loaded into crucibles. These are special containers, often made of graphite, that can withstand the intense heat. The crucible is then lowered into the furnace and the melting begins. As the silver melts, it transforms into a liquid pool of shimmering molten metal. It's mesmerizing to watch, like liquid fire, but with a silvery sheen. Skilled workers, their faces illuminated by the intense glow, monitor the process closely. They're using their experience and knowledge to judge the exact moment when the silver is ready for the next stage. Once the silver has reached the perfect temperature and consistency, it's time to give it shape. The molten metal is carefully poured into molds, where it begins to cool and solidify. These molds determine the initial shape and size of the silver, setting the stage for the remarkable thinning process that's about to come. Section 4. Flattening the curve, the art of rolling and hammering. The now solid silver ingots, still warm to the touch, are ready for their next transformation. This is where the muscle comes in, whether human or machine. We're talking about rolling and hammering processes designed to take those thick ingots and flatten them into sheets as thin as paper. First up is the rolling mill. Imagine two massive steel rollers, spinning in opposite directions. The silver ingots are fed through these rollers, getting squeezed thinner and longer with each pass. It's like putting dough through a pasta maker, but on a much larger scale. This process is repeated multiple times, with the rollers getting progressively closer together. With each pass, the silver sheet gets thinner and wider, slowly but surely approaching its final paper-thin form. The precision here is remarkable. The rollers are calibrated to tolerances of thousandths of an inch. In some factories, particularly those specializing in ultra-thin foil, traditional hammering techniques are still employed. This is where the true artisans come in, wielding hammers with the precision of surgeons. They strike the silver sheet repeatedly, delivering hundreds of blows per minute, gradually thinning it out to a remarkable degree. Section 5. Precision and Polish quality control in action. Quality control is where things get serious. This product is used in food, medicine, and other sensitive applications. There's no room for error. From raw silver to final packaging, rigorous checks are performed. Technicians use instruments to measure thickness and check for imperfections. Purity is crucial. The silver must be free of contaminants. Samples are sent to labs for chemical analysis. Only after passing all tests is the foil ready for packaging and distribution. Every piece meets the highest standards of quality and purity. Section 6. Silver's shining resume applications across industries. So we've seen how silver foil is made, from the raw ore to the finished product. But where does it all go? The answer is everywhere. One of the most recognizable uses is in food decoration. Think about those shimmering sweets in bakery windows, or the intricate designs on gourmet chocolates. It's also a workhorse in various industries, used in electronics, capacitors, and batteries, ideal for solar panels and insulation, valuable in medical dressings and water purification, a testament to the versatility and durability of this remarkable material. Section 7. A legacy in every leaf, the enduring appeal of silver foil. As we conclude our journey through the silver foil factory, it's hard not to be impressed by the ingenuity and craftsmanship on display. From the raw ore extracted from the earth to the gleaming, paper-thin sheets of foil, every step of the process is a testament to human skill and innovation. Silver foil may seem like a simple product, but it represents centuries of tradition, innovation, and dedication. It's a material that's both ancient and modern, finding its place in everything from high-tech electronics to exquisite culinary creations. So, the next time you encounter silver foil, whether it's glinting on a beautifully decorated cake or hidden inside your smartphone, take a moment to appreciate the journey it's taken. It's a journey that spans continents, involves countless skilled hands, and ultimately results in a product that's both beautiful and essential. Silver foil, a true testament to the enduring power of human ingenuity.